2-inch gasoline water pump. Installation Queed. 1. Assemble mesh enclosure and mesh interface into a strainer. 2. Slide the clamp over the end of the green hose. Attach strainer to green suction hose and tighten clamp. 3. Separate the cam lock coupler and fitting. 4. Slide the clamps over the other end of the green hose. Attach cam lock coupler to green suction hose and tighten clamps. Make sure the cam lock coupler doesn't turn. 5. Wrap the inlet clockwise with the Teflon tape, with 4 complete wraps at least. 6. Thread the fitting over the tape and tighten it completely by hand to make sure there are no air leaks. 7. Wrap the outlet clockwise with the Teflon tape, with 4 complete wraps at least. 8. Assemble outlet hose adapter, seal gasket and outlet hose fitting into a connector. 9. Thread the assembled connector to the outlet fitting. 10. Slide the clamp over the blue outlet hose, and slide the blue outlet hose over the outlet hose fitting. 11. Slide the clamp in place behind the outlet adapter barbs on the smooth part of the adapter and tighten it. 12. Attach the cam lock coupler to the fitting and lock it in place with the cam levers. How to start the water pump. Add fresh and proper amount of oil before starting water pump. Open the knob and add water to discharge the air in the pump. Start steps. 1. Turn the engine switch on. 2. Move the fuel valve to on position. 3. Move the choke lever to the choke position, cold engine. Move the choke lever to the run position, warm engine. 4. Move throttle lever to 1/3 away from the slow position. Pull the starter until engine starts. Open the throttle in time after starting. Adjust the throttle as needed.